Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Have you ever looked at a broken, dusty thrift store chandelier and imagined a blooming garden masterpiece? Today, we are turning forgotten trash into breathtaking outdoor treasures. Get ready to add some serious vintage magic to your backyard with these beautiful DIY chandelier planters. Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Imagine transforming a forgotten thrift store find into a breathtaking, living waterfall. Today, we are taking an old brass chandelier and replacing its light sockets with weathered terracotta pots. By planting vibrant, trailing English ivy, we create a lush, cascading masterpiece that hangs beautifully from your favorite tree. The rich copper tones, mixed with vibrant green leaves, bring an unmatched antique elegance to your outdoor sanctuary under the warm golden sunlight. Let us bring a touch of rustic French countryside right into your backyard. Watch as we turn a distressed white wrought iron chandelier into a practical and stunning hanging herb garden. We attach small wire mesh baskets to the sweeping arms, filling them with aromatic, sun-loving herbs like thyme, rosemary, and oregano. The peeling paint reveals the vintage metal beneath, creating a beautifully aged focal point that smells just as gorgeous as it looks. There is something incredibly magical about mixing sparkling glass with lush foliage. For this project, we are keeping the delicate dangling crystals of a pastel lavender wooden chandelier, but swapping the bulbs for natural coconut coir liners. Packed with feathery Boston ferns, the greenery gently sways in the breeze. The sharp, faceted crystals catch the bright daytime light, creating a stunning woodland canopy effect that perfectly blends elegant indoor vintage charm with natural outdoor beauty. Get ready for an absolute explosion of garden color. We are taking a heavy-duty industrial metal chandelier and completely engulfing it in blooming petunias. By securing spherical wire mesh frames to the arms, deep pinks, bright purples, and striking whites burst outward to form a floating botanical globe. The dark iron core subtly peeks through the dense foliage, providing strong structural contrast to the soft floral display. It is a show-stopping floating centerpiece for any sunny patio. Step into a fairy tale with our next creation. We wrap an entire thrifted chandelier in rich, velvety green sheet moss, securing it tightly so it looks like it organically sprouted right from the garden soil. The central column and curved arms become a continuous planter bed, blooming with delicate white alyssum and bright blue lobelia. This shabby chic masterpiece feels ancient and enchanted, offering a soft, magical aesthetic that thrives wonderfully in the gentle daylight. Let us give a dated brass dining fixture a fresh, bohemian makeover. We intricately wrap the metallic arms in light cream cotton macrame cord, adding beautiful woven texture. Hanging elegantly from each arm are minimalist unglazed clay pots filled with trailing string of pearls succulents. The bead-like vines cascade downwards, mimicking traditional crystal chains in a completely botanical, organic way. This boho chic planter brings a relaxed, stylish vibe to your bright, sun-filled garden space. This project combines two classic thrifted treasures into one stunning focal point. We nestle a miniature bronze chandelier inside an antique, open-air domed birdcage. Climbing jasmine vines, boasting tiny white star-shaped flowers, weave their way up from the base, twining around the rusted cage wires and beautifully wrapping through the chandelier arms. The contrast of the rusted patina and the classic bronze creates a wonderfully textured, vintage display of living, climbing botanical art. Sometimes you have to flip your perspective to find true beauty. We take a wide vintage silver chandelier and invert it, so the ornate arms point upward like a royal crown. In the center, we mount a brightly glazed ceramic bowl overflowing with vibrant orange marigolds and deep violet violas. The reflective silver of the upside-down frame catches the sunlight brilliantly, acting as a dynamic mirrored base for this vivid, sun-loving floral bouquet. We are keeping things wonderfully rugged and natural with this wooden wagon wheel style chandelier. Cleaned up and suspended by thick, highly textured nautical hemp rope, it brings a perfect rustic touch. We repurposed the old iron candle cups to hold small, brightly painted tin cups filled with brilliant pink flowering begonias. The rich dark wood grain contrasts gorgeously against the vivid blossoms and the rough maritime rope, making a cozy addition to any garden setting. For lovers of sleek, modern elegance, this transformation is simply breathtaking. We turn a highly reflective chrome-finished chandelier into a luxurious monochromatic planter. The gleaming silver arms hold polished aluminum bowls planted strictly with pure white trailing bacopa and pristine white geraniums. The mirrored surfaces reflect the surrounding garden beautifully, while the bright white petals and vivid green foliage establish a crisp, clean aesthetic that feels both contemporary and classically refined under the sun. Who says garden decor cannot be delicious? We take a massive, three-tiered antique brass chandelier and engineer it into a highly practical, vertical edible garden. Each cascading level features shallow copper troughs filled with lush strawberry plants. Bright red, perfectly ripe strawberries dangle like natural jewels from the edges, mixed beautifully with delicate white blossoms. This glorious hanging fruit fountain is not only visually stunning in the daylight, but perfectly sweet and rewarding. Let us restore a piece of history with this hand-painted vintage metal Toleware chandelier. Featuring soft pink and green floral motifs, the leafy metal arms now support delicate porcelain teacups. Carefully drilled for drainage, each cup hosts a real, living miniature patio rose bush with soft blush pink blooms. The real roses perfectly echo the painted metal flowers on the frame, creating a breathtaking visual illusion that brings classic Victorian romance straight to your garden. Our final idea is a striking, low-maintenance living sculpture. We take a multi-tiered structural iron base and weave smooth, sun-bleached pieces of natural driftwood between the metal arms. These organic wooden shapes create perfect resting places for an array of large, spiky air plants. The silvery green, textured leaves of the plants contrast beautifully with the pale driftwood and the dark, rusted iron frame, making a bold, natural statement in your bright and sunny outdoor space. That wraps up our magical garden transformations. We took old, forgotten chandeliers and breathed new life into them with paint, rustic rope, and beautiful blooming plants. I hope these upcycling ideas inspire you to create your own outdoor hanging masterpieces. If you love these projects, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and let me know in the comments which planter was your favorite.